Walang!
Gulatan! Talaga si Kuya Jerms. He always
Jackie
yes.
Lou
Yes, Kuya Jerms.
and Miko
Yes,
listen,
we do.
no?
We will listen intently.
Remember yung word na audition,
Yes.
right? Noong araw, pag ginamit mo ang salitang yan, audition, for example, meron kang talent, gusto mo ngayong pumasok sa isang programa, especially kung halimbawa amateur contest, may talent ka para kumanta, gusto mo ngayon subukan, mag-audition ka, di ba?
Para malaman nila kung may talent ka
Oo.
o wala.
Pero now generation, iba na ang paggamit ng audition.
Oo. Lalo na dito, Kuya Jerms, gusto ko nga malaman kung bakit ito yung pangalan.
O, sige.
Hindi ba, kumbaga, audition dance battle.
Yeah.
Kakausapin natin ang product manager, Mr. Jason Thomas.
Yeah.
Para explain sa atin, ano ba
Hi,
tong...
Jason.
Hi,
Yes.
Jason.
Hi, Jason.
Nice meeting you again.
Remember
From-
Miko?
Yes.
Remember me?
Opo.
Oh,
From Audition Dance Battle X-Play Online Games Incorporated. Okay. Ano ba ito?
Well, actually, X-Play Online Games is the publisher of Audition Dance Battle. And Audition Dance Battle is an online casual dance game po.
Aba, online casual dance.
Yes, sana nga itatanong ko, ano ba yung online gaming? Ano?
Oo, yun
Ano
nga,
yan?
Kuya Jerms. Oo.
Oo.
Hindi, wala sa atin nung panahon natin, walang ganun. Ngayon lang
Eh,
yan.
alam mo na mga generation nga nito, iba-iba na ang dumarating
Oo.
di ba?
Mm.
Kaya these kids, they're lucky nowadays.
Because everything is available to them.
Yeah.
Yes, we're
Ah.
lucky.
Yes, you're lucky. That's right.
Yes. Kaya naman
Okay,
ano.
Jason.
Ayun po,
Oo.
explain ko lang yung
Yes.
little background on online games.
Yes.
Well, online games is the typical computer game, except if you want to log in and if you want to play the game, you need to connect to the internet.
Okay.
Ayun po. So, with connecting to the internet, there comes interactivity. Diba? Unlike the usual computer games, you play by yourself.
Oo. Ito, meron kang pwedeng makalaro na ibang tao na
Yes
naglalaro
po.
rin ng
Yes
game na
po.
yan. And also, hindi lang dito sa bansa natin,
Well,
correct?
yes, it's very possible kung whoever connects to the game
Yes.
from other countries can also play with you.
Okay.
You mean to say, pag nasa bahay ka, pwede kang laro sa ibang bahay, gano'n?
Oo.
Yun.
Pwede.
Actually, this is one good thing about online games, no? The interactivity. Well, if you're from Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao, you can log into a room
Mhm.
and dance with each other po.
Mm-mm.
Connected yata GMA dyan, ano?
Yes,
Yes,
diba?
oo.
This is in
NMI.
partnership
Yes
with
po.
GMA.
Yes po.
Oo.
Di bale, ang X-Play po is a joint venture between E-Games and GMA NMI po.
Jason,
Oh.
bakit ba naging audition ang pinangalan nyo?
Oo.
Well, of course, kasi sa audition, whenever you audition, diba, for, I don't know, for a show or anything, you always put your best foot forward. And
Tama.
dito sa audition kasi, since it's a dance game, and also there's fashion tied up to this game. Kasi whenever you go to the dance floor, you would dress up at your best.
Of course,
Diba?
of course.
So para mapansin ka, it's like going to an online, to a real club.
So ito, pwede mong piliin pala yung damit na gusto mong
Yes
susuotin.
po. Actually, we have a fashion mall inside the game, and then you can choose from different hairs, different upper garments,
Yes.
and lower into the shoes that you want to wear po.
If they want to be part of this game and to play this, what do they have to do?
Of course, first and foremost, no, they have to log on to www.clubaudition.com.ph. Yes po. And, of course, they need to acquire an audition installer po.
Alright.
yes.
Saan naman nila makukuha yan?
Importante yan, ha? That's
Opo.
very important.
This installer they can get from various iCafes.
Okay.
Or from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Alright.
And of course, they need to install this in their computers.
Okay.
And this is not for sale po. We just give this away.
So this is for
Opo.
free.
Ibang klase ang
Oo.
audition.
For everybody, o?
For everybody po.
So, Kuya Germs,
Oo.
pwede mong laruin itong game na to. Wala kang babayaran.
Wala.
kang babayaran.
Kaya hindi kailangan pirated dyan dahil libre naman eh. Libre
Lala dyan, Kuya Jason. Jason,
Kaya yung mga namamara na ano ba, nagpa-pirate. Hindi yung mga nito, dahil libre lang to pinamimigay.
Kuya James, bigyan natin ng onti lang patikim ang mga kapuso natin. Paano ba nilalaro ito? Dahil syempre, alam na natin na dance battle.
Yes.
Pero paano ba yung controls nito para din alam ng mga
Okay,
kabataan?
sige. Audition Dance Battle, it being a casual game, di ba? Dapat simple lang ang ang gameplay. You know, everyone can get to learn to play audition. Di ba kasi ganito yun, sa screen nyo po, you have your characters na, di ba? Pumasok kayo sa dance floor. Di ba? Meron pong mga arrow combinations na lalabas.
Okay.
Yan.
And now, you have to
Yun, nakikita
follow the
natin yan.
different
Okay.
arrow combinations po. And then after that, you need to press the space bar on a certain time given.
Okay.
And then after you do that, sasayaw na po yung character niyo.
Ah,
Yung mga cute na dance
okay.
steps po.
Yeah.
Ngayon, what's next naman for Audition Dance Battle?
Well, alright. So, with this partnership with eGames and GMA NMI, we hope to bring online gaming and Audition Dance Battle to new heights.
Okay,
You know,
which
and
is?
conquer different medias
Alright.
in delivering this to the public po.
Okay.
Yun po.
So, talagang it will become mas lalawak
Yes
pa.
po. Lately kasi sa online space lang po available ang mga online games. But now we're looking into TV and mass distributing
Aba,
online games.
talaga
Alright,
naman.
Jason.
Yes.
After all the explanations, meron ba silang gastos dyan o wala?
Actually, Audition Dance Battle is free to play
Free.
po. Wala pong gagastos. So parents,
Yeah.
wag po kayong mag-alala na gumagastos po yung mga anak nyo. It's free to play and
Regalo
it's very
to.
fun.
Yes.
It's very
Oh.
safe for kids to play.
So, mga
Bang
kids,
klase.
Thank you very
ayan
much.
na,
Thank you.
nandun na,
Thank
napanood
you.
nyo na. So, gayahin nyo na ang mga papa at si mama para dito sa audition.
Dance Battle.
All right.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much,
Thank you,
Jason.
Jason.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala!
Tulugan!